Hello all, today I will prepare for you my chocolate mousse. Therefore, we will need 5 eggs, 60 grams of sugar, 150 grams of black chocolate, and 45 grams of butter. That's to make 6 chocolate mousse, 5 to 6 chocolate mousse. So, you will begin by separate white and yellow from eggs. You put the white in a big bowl from your robot and the yellow in a pan. You do that for the 5 eggs. Put your sugar in 2, so 2 glasses with 30 grams of sugar. You put 30 grams in with the yellow eggs and you put it on a light fire and you whipped till it became white. Then you mix your white from eggs and you add the rest of the sugar. In another pan you can put your butter and the chocolates and you let it melt. When it's done, you mix this preparation with the yellow eggs. You mixed all of this. Then you put your mixture inside and you mix gently, slowly the chocolates, not to break the white from the eggs. When it's done, you just have to put them in one or different small glasses or one bowl, or as you like. I make portions, it's better. And you put them in the fridge for minimum 2 hours. And then you can eat. This is a really light chocolate mousse without whipped cream, so only eggs. It's of course eggs, chocolate, sugar and butter, but it's really nice recipe. So enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for other recipes by clicking on the link who appear on the screen. Bye bye.